Los Angeles is home to a thriving fashion industry with a large number of fashion companies, designers, and retailers doing business in the city. Some of the most popular fashion brands in the world have their headquarters or flagship stores in Los Angeles, including H&M, Forever 21, and Zara. Fashion merchandising is a highly competitive and dynamic field, requiring a deep understanding of fashion design and manufacturing, consumer behavior, fashion trends, and the industry landscape. The design and media pathway at TradeTech is unique in that it offers certificate and degree programs in both wholesale merchandising and retail merchandising. Students will learn about cultural aspects of fashion and history, entrepreneurial opportunities in the fashion industry, how to communicate the latest fashion trends and styling, how to create visually appealing displays in retail stores or online, conduct market research, manage inventory, and price and promote products. Students will also be proficient in an industry-standard fashion product lifestyle management software, essential in the fashion merchandising industry. Whether you're looking to work in retail positions, personal styling, or wholesale manufacturing, TradeTech's program can help you develop the operational and promotional activities necessary to launch and sell brands and/or private labels. Join us and take the first step towards a successful career in fashion merchandising.